How's it going? Hello. How's it going?
My sisters are at my dad's house. Mom's home. Brooke was at the house just now. She would have come over with me, but she was busy.
Yeah, very woman, right?
Yes, she is. How are the kids? They're ice fishing. Nice.
Yeah. 44-year-old man. I'm getting old. Yeah, is that crazy?
Jeez Louise.
I'm like, next year he's 45. That's like half a 90 kid.
Oh my god.
Ain't no way.
Do you feel wise?
I don't know what I feel. It's funny. As you get older, I'm sure you can feel as you get a little older. No, I'm kind of good with that, alright?
Yeah, I get what you mean.
But no, I still
I'm
feel good
starting
young.
to feel that.
Good young at times, but the retiring lifestyle in the last handful of years is definitely...